Welcome to Rock Run House in summer. Hope you enjoy this video. We have a porch cleanup, getting ready for the season, and we have our early summer garden, and we have a few more things to show you, and we're already looking forward to posting more videos of our rehab project. We have a ton of stuff going on. In the meantime, sit back and enjoy these visuals of our early summer blooms. Thanks for stopping by. A project we have to do every spring is clean out the porch and get it ready for the summer. So this big, beautiful porch, it's a veranda. I'm not sure if it's a porch or veranda. I never can decide what the right terminology is. But it's double floors. There's a floor above it too. And so it's a lot to take on. Honestly, I haven't done anything with the floor above it because it's just too much to deal with in terms of furnishings and plantings and everything. But I tried to get this one all ready for porch season. And to be honest, we don't do a lot of sitting on the porch, but I can dream that day will come. And it's definitely a fun little ritual to get it all cleaned up and ready for the season. So you can see the mess post-winter. I think I was trying to take a picture of inside the house from the porch without success. I don't know what that's about. But here's a view from the back of the porch. Looks over the pool and wisteria that someone planted 100 years ago or a long time ago. And you'll see the work that I did to get the porch ready for the season. Like I said, we don't have a chance to sit on it as much as I'd like, but at least it's ready for the idea of sitting on the porch anyway. We are still going strong at the bread stand, and one thing we're doing this summer is opening up the barn on Saturday mornings to have expanded bread sales and some other things that feature local goods. And one of which is the flour that we're offering from John Brandstrader Farm. Red Fife in 5-pound bags. So if you want local, delicious, nutritious flour for your home baking, you can stop by the barn and pick up a 5-pound bag of flour. Excited about this little project. And it's just endlessly thrilling to me, which I know sounds kind of ridiculous, but to be able to go down the road and buy flour from John for the bread that I sell, and happy to be able to share that with people who might be stopping by the barn on weekends to pick up flour for themselves. So be sure to check it out if you live in Ohio. And if you don't live in Ohio and want to fly here to buy flour, that's okay too. We'll take you. We've been working on the garden all summer, of course, and these shots are from June when I still have my little plants ready to put out, things I had seeded. And I wanted to give you this shot of the garden early in the season so you could gauge where we are now in my next video, which is more current. It's in July, and that's the season I'm in currently. And these photos and videos, like I said, are from June. But this kind of gives you an idea. I don't have the template that I want still for the garden. Here's a sad story. My son mowed over my grapevine, so that was pretty crushing. I think I overreacted a little bit, but I think gardeners can understand. So I'm working on the template, like I said, and the garden right now actually looks a lot more developed, which is not just because of plants, but because I've done more with the fence and that sort of thing. So you'll see that in the next video. You can kind of compare a little bit. We're kind of working around this huge telephone pole and this old tractor we have as a garden sculpture and some other elements that are part of it that just hopefully add to the, I don't know, the weirdness of it, which I'm okay with that. So I'll keep you posted on our garden developments, but here it is from early in the season. And so check back for more on that. Thanks for stopping by Rock Run House. As I said, I'll update with more garden videos, and we'll post videos of our rehab projects. Just want to leave you with a little image of Rock Run on a foggy morning. It's just endlessly beautiful with the mock orange tree right there and the old road, and it just has a mysterious feeling that I just love when it's foggy outside. So I wanted to give you that as a little farewell till next time.